Hello my dear friends, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. And this video is going to be very exciting because in this video we are going to make a presentation on the superheroes. Yes, Marvel Avengers. So I have decided to divide this video into two parts, where in the first part we will set up the graphics which we need for this video, and in the second part we will set up the photos and the required animations. So I hope you watch both the parts so that you can make this presentation as it is, so that you do not end up having the knowledge of only first part. So without any further talks, let's get into the video very quickly. So here I am in the PowerPoint presentation, and let me tell you one thing, that currently I am using Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 version of PowerPoint. So the features which I am using in this presentation are available in almost all the versions of PowerPoint. Now let us take a blank presentation and let me remove these two placeholders. Now the next step is to add a smart art. So for that we will go to insert, we'll click on smart art, and here you can see an option of cycle where we will choose this one. Basically this is a pie smart art infographic. So we'll click on OK, and by default you can see that there are three placeholders which are provided. So if you want to add any placeholders, just right click on this object, go to add shape, and you can choose whatever after or before. And in similar way, let us have 6 placeholders like this. And if you are targeting more number of pictures to be displayed in this presentation, then you can add more placeholders, as many as you want. Now here you have noticed that these are the text placeholders. So basically we need to convert this to object or shape. So we will go to smart art design, and here you can see an option of convert. So if you click on this, there is an option to convert this to shape. So we'll click on this. So now you can see that these are converted to shape. Now before doing anything, first of all, let us arrange this placeholder to make this whole group look like a perfect circle like this. And now we will add a circle in between. So we'll go to insert, go to shape, and click on circle. Now many of you might face an issue while making a perfect circle. So if you try to make a circle like this, you may ended up having an uneven radius across all the sides. So the tip is to press shift while you make a circle. So if you hold shift button and then make a circle, then it will be a perfect circle. So let us make a circle over here, and we will place it exactly in the center of this object which we have created previously. Now let us change the color of the circle which we have just created. Let us select yellow, and in shape outline let us say no outline, and we will do same for the back object which we have created. So we'll select no outline. Now let us make this smaller, and if you are not sure that this circle is exactly placed right in the center of the objects which is behind, so what we will do is select both of the object, go to shape format, and here in align you have an option to align center, and again align, you have to select on the align middle. This is how both the objects are aligned exactly in the center. Now here you can see that this is as a whole is a circle, but if we go to shape format and have an outline of white, so you can see that there are 6 different objects. So let us again place this in the center. So we need to create 6 circles like this, as we have 6 objects right behind there. Now there are 2 different methods to copy this circle identically. So we don't need to go to insert again and select the circle. We'll just press Ctrl C by selecting the circle and press Ctrl V. So this is how you can make a copy of this circle. The another method is that you need to select this circle and press Ctrl D. So you can see that there is a circle created, and again you will press Ctrl D as many times, the circle will be created. So we need 6 number of circles. So we have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll again press Ctrl D. So 6. And for all these circles, I'll arrange it in the middle and align it in the center. And again, I'll arrange this exactly in the center of this. Now we have 6 circles and 6 pies. So we'll subtract this circle from each of the pie which we have behind, like this. So what we will do is we will first select the pie, and by holding shift we will select the circle. Then we go to shape format, and here you have an option of merge shapes, and in this we will select subtract. And now you can see that the pie has been subtracted from the circle. And in the similar way we will do for all the remaining 5 pies. And now we can see that we have completed the first step. Yes, we have created the placeholders which we wanted. And as we have subtracted from the circle, these are now separate objects, as you can see. So now we have to group this. But before that, let us change color of each and every placeholder. Now let me group this by pressing Ctrl G, and by pressing Ctrl Shift, I'll increase its size. Now let me show you one thing. First of all, let me ungroup this again and press Ctrl D. By clicking on the first slide, I press Ctrl D, and in the second slide, I will first group this, rotate this object around 180 degree. By pressing Ctrl Shift again, I'll make it smaller and move it to the left hand side of the slide. And by right clicking on this, I will ungroup again. So in the first slide, we have 6 placeholders, and in the second slide, we have made these placeholders smaller and rotated a bit. And now if we select all and apply Morph Transition to this, let us see what we have made. So you can see that these objects are reshuffling and the animation is looking quite cool. So this is what we were expecting, and we can say that we are on the right track. So this is all what I have planned to complete it in the first video. Rest of the things I'll show you in the next video. So you can click on that I button and jump to that video directly, or you can go to the video description. There you will find the link of that video. So see you in that video. Till then, goodbye.